Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your camera not working in your OMI TV on your iPhone. In case your camera in your OMI TV does not work properly or does not work at all, first of all we're going to our settings on our iPhone. Then here we need to scroll down to find this privacy and security tab. Tap on it once, then scroll slightly down to find the camera settings, tap on that and try to find the OMI TV and make sure this switch is turned on for OMI TV camera. Now go back once again, and here you need to find the screen time. We tap on it once. Here we scroll slightly down to find this content and privacy restrictions. We tap on it once again, and here have a look at this allowed apps and features tab. You tap on it once, and here make sure that the camera is allowed, just like that. Now after all of these settings are turned on, we need to reboot or basically reset our phone. So for this we need to press the volume up button and the power button and hold them for around 2 seconds, just like that, and then slide to power off. It takes around 2 seconds for your iPhone to turn off, then wait for around 5 to 10 seconds and hold the power on button to turn your iPhone on. And now go back to the OMI app and see if the camera now works properly and as it should work. And if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Your help is greatly appreciated.